year. Amina was 65 years old. For most of her life, she took care of everyone except herself. At home, Amina looked at herself in the mirror. She remembered how active she once was. With slow steps and a deep breath, Amina entered the clinic. She felt nervous and ashamed. She sat quietly in the waiting room. Young people passed by, energetic and confident. Amina,
Please come in.
Doctor, I want to lose weight, but I'm old. Is it even possible?
Dr. Hassan smiled gently. Age is not the problem, he said. Health is not about looking young.
No pressure. Slow progress is still progress.
The next morning, Amina stepped outside. Just a short walk, but it felt like a victory.
Friends. Days turned into weeks. She ate healthier. She moved a little more each day. And something beautiful.
Back at the clinic, the scale showed progress. Not perfection, but progress. The doctor nodded. Amina didn't become perfect. She didn't become young again. But she became stronger, one small choice at a time.